Welcome to the wild side, where danger and beauty collide. Today we're diving into the world of the 5 most dangerous wild animals. First up, the king of the jungle, the African lion with its deadly strength and speed. Next, the saltwater crocodile, the world's largest living reptile and a true predator. Third on the list, the Cape buffalo, also known as the widowmaker, one of Africa's most dangerous beasts. Fourth, the stealthy and lethal king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. And finally, the grizzly bear, a symbol of raw power and survival in the harshest conditions. Remember, these magnificent creatures command our respect, not our fear. Stay tuned for more wild facts.